You presented yourself as the driver. Now you're going to take the fall too.
I'm not.
This is obstruction. You're being arrested for obstruction.
Can you talk to me about it?
No, ma'am. I tried to talk to you. You didn't want to talk. No, ma'am. You want?
Can we get a warning?
I think we're beyond warnings at this point.
Can we get a warning, man?
We're beyond warnings at this point. Now listen to me. Listen to me. Watch,
can
watch,
you give
watch.
us a ticket or something?
Watch.
It's hot, man.
Okay. I get it. I get it. Listen to me. Listen.
On September 1, 2024, a 36-year veteran officer witnessed a desperate game of musical chairs when the occupants of a truck scrambled to switch seats in plain view during a routine stop. What began as a simple traffic pullover quickly transformed into a web of lies as the driver attempted to hide a suspended license behind a stack of fresh registration papers.
Hi.
Hey.
I didn't see your license and registration. Is everything okay?
Yeah, I'm trying to get to my next job.
Okay. I appreciate that.
I got my license.
Perfect. If you go ahead and get that for me, that'd be great. Thank you. Unlock the door for me, sir. Please. Unlock the door, please. Unlock the door. Thank you. Step on out.
Step on out.
Step out, sir. Come on. Step out.
Okay.
Okay? Step out. Listen to what I'm telling you. Step out of the car. Perfect. Relax. Come on.
Okay.
Relax. Turn away from me. Perfect. Alright. And do you have the registration to the car, Miss Lewis?
I just got the car.
Okay. Is the tag registered to the truck?
Yes, I have 2 trucks.
Okay.
So my old truck,
Okay.
the tag got transferred to the new truck, but it's within a 30-day period.
Okay. Hang tight. Let me check
I have
everything.
my car payment, like the what I bought my car.
That's okay. Hang tight. Let me check everything. Stay put.
Is there a reason why you couldn't have?
Yep. I'm going to talk to you in 1 second, ma'am. Okay? Okay. Perfect. I'm going to put you in my car real quick. I'm just checking underneath your hat. Perfect. Whoop. Throw back on her. Right over here in my car. I'm going to double lock them cuffs. Have a seat in the car, and then I'm going to talk to your girlfriend, and I'm going to talk to you. Okay?
Alright.
All right?
What's going on?
I think you know what's going on. I know what's going on.
What's going on?
Because I've done this for 36 years. I watch people in cabs when they move around, switch seats. You feel me? So hang tight right there. I'll be up with you in a minute.
Excuse
okay?
me. Am I going to jail?
You just switched seats on me. I don't even know who you are yet. So hang tight. I'm going to get your name. You got a suspended license? I'll open the door, dear. Perfect. Okay. I'm gonna read you something, and I want you to listen to me. I want you to look right at my face.
Okay.
Okay. I've done this for 36 years, probably longer than you've been alive. I'm very observant, and I know who was sitting in the driver's seat when it went by me back there, and I know who's sitting in the driver's seat now. I also can see through the back windshield when people switch on me. I'm gonna find out. Huh?
Yes,
okay.
Hey man, please man.
Okay, why didn't you just stay in the...
kids, man.
Okay,
please.
hang tight.
Yes.
Let me talk to the... Is that the wife or girlfriend?
That's my wife.
Okay,
man.
sneeze in for me. I don't want to hit it. Hang tight. Do you feel the inflection in my voice? Do you feel it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to read you something, and I want you to be very clear. If you lie to me, you're going into the back of that car in handcuffs. Your choice. I know the truth. You know the truth. I'm going to read you something, and I want to hear the truth. Okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you for any question if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand your rights?
The deception hit a wall of veteran experience as the officer immediately handcuffed both suspects, despite the female passenger's frantic claims that she was the one behind the wheel. This blatant attempt to obstruct justice only escalated the situation, turning a series of driving infractions into a one-way trip to jail for both individuals.
But don't you understand?
I don't understand what's going on.
Okay, this card is all I want to make sure you understand. Do you understand your rights that I just read? You want me to read them again?
No.
Okay, do you understand them, yes or no?
No.
Okay. What don't you understand so I can clarify? Once you understand your rights, because I told you if you lie, you're going to jail. I'm just telling you that.
But I'm giving you my information
Okay,
to my
ma'am.
car.
Ma'am, do you understand your rights? I'm just asking.
No, I don't. That's
Okay,
just
so
something-
what do you want me to explain so you understand them?
What?
Ma'am?
Did you pull me over
Okay,
for?
ma'am. We'll talk about the rights, and we'll talk about why I pulled you over. Actually, why I pulled him over. Okay?
You're pulling me over.
No, ma'am, I'm pulling him over.
This is my truck.
Okay, I realize that. Do you understand your rights?
I don't.
Okay. What don't you understand so we can go through this? Again, we're going to sit here all day. Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no. Yes or no? Audible.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. What happened today? Red shirt sitting in the driver's seat drove by me.
I'm gonna just say we was just working, man.
Okay, I get it.
We was just working, man.
I get it. You're out
Please.
working, okay? You drove by me. You didn't have your
I got
seatbelt
a
on.
question.
And that's honest to God's truth why I came to get y'all.
Can I ask you?
Go ahead. I'll talk. So we get this done. So the quicker we do this, the better off it will be for you.
I don't understand why.
Okay, as soon as you understand your rights, we'll talk about everything. We'll talk about why you got stopped. We'll talk about why we're here. We'll talk about why you might be going to jail or might not be going to jail. So do you understand your rights? Yes or no?
No.
You have the right to remain
talk.
silent? Hold on, we'll do this one line at a time. Do you understand you have the right to remain silent?
No.
What don't you understand?
What is?
Okay, ma'am, hang tight. We'll get my second set of cuffs. We're gonna put you in jail. Hang tight. I got mine right there.
Can we get a warning?
I think we're beyond warnings at this point.
Can we get a warning, man?
We're beyond warnings
Please,
at this point.
man,
Now listen to me.
please.
Listen to me.
Yeah,
Watch,
can
watch,
you give
watch.
us a ticket or something?
Watch.
It's hot, man.
Okay, I get it.
Please.
I get it. Listen to me.
Please.
Listen. Step out for me, ma'am. You presented yourself as the driver. Now you're going to take the fall too.
I'm not.
This is
I didn't
obstruction.
do
You're being
anything.
arrested for obstruction.
Can you talk to me about
No,
it
no, ma'am.
first?
I tried to talk to you. You
Can
didn't
we
want to
just
talk.
talk,
No,
please?
ma'am. You want? Okay. Listen. Why'd you switch seats? I'm just asking. Why?
I'm just asking, are you gonna take us to
Sir,
jail?
I'm talking to you about what happened. You switched seats on me. Why did you switch seats? I watched you through the back window. It's very easy to see. Why did you switch seats? Is it because your license is suspended? Or do you have a warrant? Or is there something going on I need to know about? Yes, no, maybe, I don't know.
I just want for us to talk to you. You said you don't understand them, so we cannot speak to you.
Okay, but I understand that you're saying you
Okay,
have to
let me
read
grab
me my
this.
rights.
But you have to understand your rights.
I want to take that with me.
Okay, we'll talk about that. Okay, let's step back to my car. Can I put her in yours real quick while I talk to him?
Can I
And then
turn my
I'll put them
car
both in
off, sir?
together. No, I'll deal with all that. Thank you. I'm going to double lock the cuffs so they don't tighten up. We're going to have you sit back here, and then I'm going to talk to your husband. Okay? Thank you. Please do not move these cuffs to the front.
Would you be able to tell me why you're removing?
No, ma'am, you don't want to talk to me.
I'm talking to you.
No, ma'am, you're not. I read you your rights, and you didn't wish to talk to me, so have a seat for me.
Can you give me my phone?
No, ma'am, have a seat in the car.
Sir, you're
Ma'am,
violating my
no,
rights.
ma'am, you
sir.
don't have a right to have a phone. Have a seat in the car.
No, but you're
Ma'am,
taking
have a
me
seat.
out of my car and
Yes,
not
ma'am.
telling me why.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. I told you you're being arrested for obstruction. Watch
What
it.
is obstruction?
Watch that.
What did I? What
Watch.
Is,
Thank you. Sorry about this, sir. It'll be just another minute. Sir, talk to me.
Like,
I'm giving you an opportunity. You don't want to take the opportunity, that's fine.
I'm saying, like you say, the opportunity, like we just out here working.
I'm telling you, I'm giving you an opportunity to tell the truth. Okay?
Okay.
I'm telling you an opportunity to tell the truth right now. This is your opportunity.
We just been out here working.
I
today,
get that.
sir, and
You've said that 4
that's-
times.
yeah,
Why
yeah,
did we
this-
switch seats? I just don't get it. I watched it. It's on video, for God's sake. You can see all in the video. Why'd you switch seats? All right.
She's going right 2 blocks away. She to the property right here.
So
She
you had to
just
jump in
got-
the driver's seat?
No, she just.
I'm listening. We're going to have to impound it because
Well,
somebody's going to have to...
well,
you can't drive.
sir,
Both of you are going to jail.
Both of us.
Yes.
Can you let me take my? I'm right here on this street. My destination is right here on this
Okay.
street.
What does that have to do with anything?
To park my car?
No, I can't do that. It's either got to be impounded or somebody has to come get it. And since you two can't drive, nobody's coming to get it. And again, listen to me. If you have somebody in a car that has a valid license, why in the world would you not let her do it? And then, to top it all off, you get stopped. I thought y'all were going to run from me. The way y'all accelerated, I thought you were going to run till the post guy pulled in front of you.
We're going 2 blocks away.
And then you switched spots on me. I think you were going to run. Honestly. All right?
We good people, man.
I'm not saying you're a bad person.
I know.
I'm not saying you're a bad person at all.
We just young people. We got these little shorties, and we're trying to take care of our babies.
And again, what are you teaching them? What are you teaching them?
I'm teaching them. I'm teaching them how to work.
Okay,
and I'm teaching
good.
them
But
how
you got to be responsible.
Yes,
that's it.
Yes.
The date was September 1st, 2024, and at 1:15 p.m., a 36-year veteran police officer witnessed a desperate move during a routine traffic stop. As the truck pulled over, the occupants scrambled to switch seats in plain view of the veteran lawman. The driver, who was operating the vehicle with a suspended license, attempted to hide behind a web of lies and fresh registration papers for a newly purchased truck. The officer, not easily fooled after decades on the force, immediately removed both individuals and placed them in handcuffs. The situation escalated as the female passenger insisted she was the one behind the wheel, leading to an additional charge of obstruction of justice. Despite their feigned confusion and resistance, the veteran officer remained firm, explaining that their blatant deception was their undoing. The stop concluded with both suspects headed to jail, facing a laundry list of charges including obstruction, possession of drug paraphernalia, and multiple driving infractions. Subscribe for more videos and witness the raw reality of police encounters with Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.